I got into the remodeling and home building business as a matter of accident. I had intended to go to graduate school, but in working my way through school, I found a love for building and design theory. And that's how I made my way into the industry. My educational background is actually in psychology. And while I was a student, I read a couple of papers that said that people who know what time the sun rises and sets, and people who know what phase the moon is in, consistently report being significantly happier than those people who don't. It took me a while for it to dawn on me, but it eventually did, that this is an aspect of design. We can design spaces that create happiness simply by creating connection to nature. Once I had that realization, we began to work on other ways that we can think about design in ways that create happiness for the people that are in the space.